Hi everyone, and in today's recipe I'm going to make delicious steamed prawn with mustard poppy and coconut sauce, which is also known as Bhappa Chingri. I have taken 300 grams of prawn which has been cleaned and deveined. To the prawn I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt for marinating the prawn and keeping it ready. I am now mixing the turmeric powder and the salt with the prawn and keeping it aside. For the ingredients, I have taken 5 chilies, mustard paste, poppy paste, coconut, mustard oil, keeping the marinated fish in the bowl. In the grinding jar, I am now putting the mustard paste which I have made from 2 tablespoons of black mustard seed. You can also use yellow mustard seed. Poppy paste which I have made from 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and grinded in the jar. Grated coconut, one can also use coconut powder, so 2 to 3 teaspoons, and 1 chili. Getting it ready for grinding. To it I am pouring a little bit of water, around 1 to 2 teaspoons, closing the lid, allowing it to grind the same. Using little more water, get more consistency, and finally making it a thin paste. And the right consistency has just come. Adding the paste, the mustard paste, into the prawn which has been kept in the bowl. Mix and mix it well. Gas on, and I am putting the bowl with 4 cups of water into it. Mixing the leftover water of the thinly grinded paste finally into the prawn, closing the lid of the box and putting it inside the bowl to get it steamed. The steaming process has to be a duration of 10 to 12 minutes, ensuring that the prawn is not overcooked. The steam has finally been done and the prawn has now been prepared. To it, I am finally adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to give a kick to it, 1 or 2 chilies as per taste, closing the lid and finally steaming it for another 30 seconds. If you like this recipe, please give a like and subscribe to my channel Cooking Made Easy to get more exciting recipes. Opening of the lid. Delicious steamed prawn with mustard, poppy, and coconut sauce is finally prepared.